Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable accessibility shortcut during guided access on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Accessibility, then swipe up to go down to the bottom and tap on guided access. In here you want to go down and tap on accessibility shortcut. So tap on the toggle button to turn it off, or tap on it to switch it on. And it said that when you triple click the side button during a guided access session, accessibility shortcut settings will be displayed. So let's take a look. If I turn on guided access, so I first need to open up an app, and then if I look at the keyboard, I will try. So if I triple click on the side button here, 1, 2, 3, then we go down and tap on guided access. Okay, so guided access has been turned on. You can see here guided access has been turned on right now. And if I triple click, the accessibility shortcuts will appear. And if I switch it off, okay, so if I switch this off, then during guided access, so I can turn on, but once guided access has started, if I triple click, you can see the accessibility menu will not appear. And that's it. And so guided access is enabled. Triple click the side button or use Face ID to end guided access. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.